Well, it came. I am so happy to see this rain, especially it being almost July. And we had like some hard wind that hit. It had to be 40, 50 mile an hour winds. Kind of chilled back out now. So we've been turning those catfish loose in this pond back here behind our house. And we decided we want to start feeding them, fatten them up. And of course you don't want to let those catfish grow too big. They'll start just cleaning everything out. There is a harvest age. So we thought we'd fatten them up some here with some feed. Enjoy feeding them. And then we'd have a harvest time. Put them in the freezer and maybe give a chance for young ones to grow. Or we could restock it with fingerlings this upcoming year. Mel, how'd you enjoy your little vacation?
Good. We go to chill out for a while.
So there's a lot of new blooms on tomatoes.
We've been harvesting.
Yeah, we've been steadily harvesting them. You see some green ones there. We got tomatoes everywhere. Boy, our okra is really producing, and the squash, oh my goodness. It has, in fact, there's one I think ready in there right now. Pull those leaves back for me if you would, please.
There's a bunch there ready
Pull
to
the leaves back in front of the camera. Maybe the camera's not over there. Oh, there you go. There you go. It's got some other squash right here. Right here. It's looking good in here everywhere. She has some nice calabash over. I wanted to video it before she took it, but she done yanked it down. Boy, this squash is doing super nice too. Look at the size of those stems. That's really, really nice.
My base is going up.
Man, that is looking great too. Also, there is one of these calabash still here. I'm wrong. Look at that thing. Put your hand down there and I can see how big it is. Yeah, the way it gives a perspective. There you go. My goodness. And you'll cut this up and do what with it?
You're gonna cut this one for making for soup or even saute.
Soup or what?
Or you can make with something different. Saute.
Saute?
Yeah.
Okay, what's that?
Use saute, you know, like stir fry. Like
Oh, okay. I'm with you now.
So it was two there, and
Yeah, you got that other big one. I saw it on the counter inside. Boy, these things are growing. Look at that.
you see this one. This is the start. This is the female one that is make the fruit like this.
Yeah, sure is.
And this one here is nice. It's growing.
And this okra is looking so healthy, so beautiful. And she's been steadily picking okra too. Y'all gonna have to scold her. I told her, why are you not videoing any of it? Just out here harvesting and not sharing it. Yeah, there's some right there. Yeah, it's all in here.
Already 3 days I was been harvest.
Cucumbers too. She's been harvesting cucumbers, but y'all scold this girl. You see her right here? Melinda, look at the camera. Now y'all see, look right at your audience. Now y'all scold her right there. Look at them. Face your accusers.
Yeah, so look at this.
Scold her right there to her face for not videoing it when she's harvesting.
Pickling cucumber.
Yeah,
So
it's looking good. It's a young one. Well, the sun's shining here, but we also felt some rain hitting us. And I know right there to the south of us. I can see it pouring down right over there. It's moving towards us. We might get that here in a few minutes. Well, here we are. This is where I like to throw the feed out, and they've been used to coming up over the past couple of days. But the problem is the wind's not in our favor here. But I'm gonna try to toss them out real hard and see if it draws them up here. Just hold on, man. I'm gonna put just a little bit first, see if it draws them up. Usually I hear that noise on the water, and they'll come, but I don't know how it's gonna be as windy as it is. There's one. There was one. He ain't come back yet. See anything else yet, Mo? Let's step on over this way and we'll throw more. Boy, that sure is some big slippers on your feet. That is some big slippers on your feet.
I think so.
Did you commandeer those from somebody? Huh?
You
You better be careful. You start wearing slippers that size, maybe your feet are gonna grow to them. You're gonna look like a hobbit. Let's see some of that feet. Well, only that one came up there. I just tell you, the wind is not in our favor here. There's not really a place to get over there. It's all marshy, and those islands out there to float it this way. I like it to hit that water hard, Mel, where they can hear it. Let's just step back and see if they come up. Well, right when I stopped the camera, another come up yesterday evening. Man, they really were crazy after it. This is new to them, so they're adjusting to coming up here and feeding. But boy, I probably just need to stick with doing it in the evening time. Man, did they come up yesterday evening. Probably early in the morning and in the evening. Yeah. Oh, there was one right there. But they're not just coming up with their mouths and scooping it. Yeah, the water drops pretty deep here, pretty quick on this pond. This side here, you wouldn't want to just step into it. It's got a steady drop. There it goes, right there. It's a nice size one. There's another one going over there. The water's pretty there. So there's a couple feeding there, but I don't know if I can really get them good on camera here. Oh, there we go. I hear one behind me too over here. They're really working it. There's about 4 of them going. Afraid if I move, I might scare them. This is all new to them to be fed here. Where are they at there? There you go. Oh, there's a pretty big one there coming up eating. I think I scare them though. Yeah, they're kind of scattered all down through here in about 5 different places now feeding. You see it on down, all in there. A little bit of rye sticking up that dried off, but I could probably come over here in this little lot and cut it again now. I know I can if I just get a chance. Well, it came. I am so happy to see this rain, especially it being almost July. What a blessing. What a wonderful blessing. Man, this is going to give us wonderful summer grass to push on through. At least it'll carry us further into the summer. I am really so happy to see this rain. Well, it's hitting pretty hard here. Oh, man. The wind has really picked up. I can actually hear it howling. And the rain's going almost sideways. I don't know if you can really catch it on the camera. Trying to get it to focus. Maybe water got on the camera. And we had like some hard wind that hit. It had to be 40, 50 mile an hour winds. Kind of chilled back out now. And still going pretty good. That's probably, well, it's gusting again. It's still probably a good steady 20, 30 mile an hour wind right now. What a blessing for this rain. Especially this time of year here in Texas. I know it's different than you all watching this in the Philippines. Your dry season was, you know, April, May, you know, back in March, April, May. Our dry season here is June, July, August, over in part of September. So to be going towards the middle of the dry season right now and get a rain like this is such a wonderful blessing.